Most people in Nigeria and across Africa, they are thinking that making money on YouTube, it is impossible. But no, that is not true. In this video, I will show you exactly how to go from 0 subscribers to earning your first dollar, even though you don't have fancy camera or editing skill. By the end of this video, you will know the exact step to get monetized, the real requirements YouTube are looking for, and how to actually start earning money in Africa. Let's dive into it. The first step is to understand how YouTube monetization system works. So let's talk about the money part. To get monetized, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, also known as YPP. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need a little requirement of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, or 10 million published short views in the past 90 days. So most Nigeria or Africa YouTubers think YouTube is a platform where you start today and get monetization tomorrow. No, if you do not get those requirements, you can't get your monetization. Once you approve, YouTube will start showing ads on your video and you will earn through US dollar, paid through 8 cents. The second step is how to get paid on YouTube in Nigeria or Africa. YouTube pays Nigeria or Africa creators every month on the 21st or 22nd. So to receive your payment in Nigeria or Africa, you can use a USDT account from bank like GT Bank, Access Bank, or UBA Bank. You can still use PayOna depending on where you live because it works for some countries. So once you reach $100 threshold, YouTube will automatically send your money to your account. But before your monetization, you need to open a dollar account so you can't face any delay when you start earning money on YouTube. Number 3, you need to pick a profitable niche because not every niche pays the same after your monetization. If your goal is monetization, pick a niche that have both passion and potential profits. Example of niche that pay well in Africa. Number 1, tech tutorials, phone, app and gadgets. Number 2, education, skill, exam guide and language learning. Number 3 tips that pay well in Africa is finance, money tips, online business and crypto. But you need to do research before posting. Check what is trending in Nigeria or your country. Use Google Trend or YouTube search bar to know what people are actually searching for. So the number 4 step to do to get monetized fast is to create valuable content. When you start YouTube, nobody will know you yet. So what you need to do now is to create content people are searching for. For example, if you teach about YouTube growth, you must need to post about how to get more subscribers or how to get your 1,000 subscribers in just 7 days. Because that is what upcoming YouTubers are most searching for, and if you post about that, you will actually get a lot of views. But before posting, you must need to check or work on your thumbnail and your title, because even though you create the best video in the whole world and your title and your thumbnail is bad, nobody will click on that video. Thumbnail is an meaning aid to any video you are posting online. Thumbnail describe what video is all about, so you must need to work on your title, so if viewers see your thumbnail, they will have no reason to click on that particular video. So the last and not the least is to know others way to earn money on YouTube even before monetization. Number 1, affiliate marketing. You can promote any product and earn from commission. Number 2, brand deal. When you build a audience, brand will start reaching out. Number 3, online courses or ebook. For example, teaching what you know. And the last and not the least is YouTube short bonus or YouTube shopping. So if you live in Nigeria, Kenya or any place in Africa, don't let your location deceive you, because YouTube success is 100% possible. Start with your mobile phone, stay consistent and watch your channel grow from 0 subscribers to monetization. If this video is useful to you, drop a comment saying I'm next to my monetization and we'll see you in the next video. If this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.